we tend to become a family when we break bread together. I would advise anybody who's trying to build a strong team to break bread, right? Buy lunch, bring them in and have a lunch together once a week if you can. It's an opportunity for them to talk about their frustrations with the work, maybe discuss opportunities for being more successful in the endeavors of the business, or even to just work on some things, culture things, processes, um, and really maybe even getting behind something like a charitable contribution. Your team wants to work and do some charity work. I mean, these are where the deep interpersonal conversations happen, is when you are sharing a meal with someone else. Over the hundreds of shops that I have seen, the teams that invest in a weekly lunch have much higher retention, much higher employee morale, and they've usually got the foundational pieces of their business defined: culture, systems and processes, and some of the larger legacy type goals are all happening because they are sharing a meal together once a week.